Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making this Eid card. And as we craft, we're going to be learning about Eid. Are you excited? You're going to need a pencil and scissors, a glue stick, a large and small piece of card, paint, and some brushes and a canvas. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel. So please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. Great job! So I'm starting off by bending our card in half. And then I'm going to grab my paints and paint whatever I want on the card. You can follow my lead, or you could paint a moon or some stars. It's up to you. Eid Mubarak! Shall we talk about Eid al-Fitr? It's one of the happiest days of the year for Muslims around the world. It's a celebration that comes after our holy month, Ramadan. But what exactly is Eid al-Fitr? And why do we celebrate it? Let's explore. Eid al-Fitr means the festival of breaking the fast. It's a day when Muslims celebrate the end of Ramadan, a month which we fast from Fajr to Maghrib. After fasting for a whole month, we celebrate Eid al-Fitr to thank Allah for all the blessings we have. Fasting in Ramadan is not just about staying hungry or thirsty. It helps us practice self-control, patience, and gratitude. Eid al-Fitr comes at the end of Ramadan, which is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. The Islamic calendar is based on the moon, and I have a video that you can craft a beautiful moon. So the dates change every year. Muslims look for the new moon to know when Eid will begin. And once the moon is sighted, the celebration starts the next day. Because the Islamic calendar is lunar-based, Eid can fall in any season: spring or summer, autumn or winter. In some parts of the world, Eid may be in hot weather, while in other places it might be cold. No matter when it happens, the joy of Eid remains the same. Now that I've finished painting, I'm going to draw a lantern on our other piece of card and cut that out. Before Eid arrives, families clean their homes and prepare new clothes to wear. Many people also decorate their houses with lights and banners to make them look festive. Some families put up balloons, while others hang colourful streamers. In some countries, the streets are decorated with lanterns and twinkling lights to mark the special occasion. Another important thing Muslims do before Eid is give a special charity called Zakat al-Fitr. This charity helps people who don't have enough money to buy food and new clothes, so they can also enjoy Eid. It's important that everyone gets a chance to celebrate, no matter their situation. Many families also start preparing delicious food in advance. They buy ingredients for sweets and traditional dishes so that everything is ready for the big day. And some children help their parents in the kitchen by stirring ingredients, shaping cookies, or setting the table for guests. What foods are you most excited to eat this Eid? Wow, that sounds delicious. Now that we've cut out our lantern, I'm going to trim the edges and paint Eid Mubarak on it. On the morning of Eid, everyone wakes up early to get ready for the special Eid prayer. First, they take a bath and wear their best clothes. Wearing new or clean clothes is an important tradition because it symbolizes a fresh start and joy. Then we eat a small meal, often dates, before heading to the mosque or an open prayer ground. The Eid prayer is a special prayer that brings everyone together to thank Allah and ask for blessings. It's performed in large groups, sometimes in open fields or big mosques. And after the prayer, the Imam gives a short speech reminding people to be grateful, kind, and generous. After the prayer, people greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak, which means blessed Eid. They hug, shake hands, and share good wishes. It's a time of happiness and togetherness. Some people visit their relatives, while others invite friends over to celebrate. One of the best parts of Eid is giving gifts. Children often receive idea, which is money, or presents from their elders. People also exchange gifts with family and friends. Eid is a time to share happiness, so many people visit orphanages, hospitals, and homes for the elderly to spread joy. It's also a time to help those in need. Many people prepare food packages and deliver them to families who can't afford a special meal. Some communities organize charity events where volunteers distribute clothes, food, and toys to children who might not have them otherwise. Now I'm gluing the back of the lantern to stick it on our card. But make sure the paint has fully dried before you do this. Eid al-Fitr is not just about food and fun. It's a time to be grateful for everything we have and to help those in need. It reminds everyone to be kind, generous, and loving all year round. So now I'm sticking our card on top of the bit that we painted. And look! And one of the most important lessons of Eid is the importance of family and community. Spending time with loved ones, forgiving past mistakes, and strengthening relationships makes the celebration even more meaningful. Eid is also about spreading happiness. Even a small act of kindness, like sharing food with a neighbor or helping someone in need, can bring joy to others. The spirit of Eid encourages everyone to be the best version of themselves, not just on this special day, but throughout the year. So the next time you hear Eid Mubarak, remember the love and joy that Eid al-Fitr brings to the world. It's a time for togetherness, reflection and celebration. No matter where you are, Eid is a day of happiness, love and generosity that everyone can appreciate and enjoy.
Wow, look at the beautiful Eid card you made. I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can write a lovely Eid message and give it to a friend. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Oh Allah, make our Eid a time of blessings and love. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.